This 2026 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, awning, slide-out, smoke detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, TV, microwave, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is 14,562 pounds. This 2026 Grand Design Solitude 390RK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.